O F B. Hi, my name is Jessica Estrella, and I am Senior Environmental Science major. I'm looking for a position that will allow me to use my research and analysis skills. Over the past few years, I've been strengthening these skills through my work with the local watershed council on conservation and strategies to support water quality and habitats. Eventually, I'd like to develop education program on water conservation awareness. I read that your organization is involved in water quality projects. Can you tell me how someone with my experience may fit into your organization?